Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the subscription in Hootsuite. Over in the home page, click into your profile here at the bottom left, and then your subscription plan will be inside the tab Plan and Billing. Click on it, and it will send you to your billing page. In here, you'll see your current plan that you chose when you started your account here in Hootsuite. Scroll a bit down and look for Manage My Subscription. Open it up, and you'll see the text Cancel Upcoming Subscription. Now that's not showing up on my screen. That's because I already canceled this beforehand when I made this account. But it will show up on yours when you haven't canceled it yet. You only need to click on it, and it will give you a simple 2-step process. And you can immediately cancel it. And that's how to cancel your subscription in Hootsuite.